Good morning. Today it is 28th of November 2021, and in the second year of pandemic, we are here for the CAT exam review. And we can find it out that today this is three different slot exam as like last year, and some kinds of experience we have already received from our students. So I need to take good morning to all of you. I am Jayanta Saha from Erudite, Kolkata. We want to give you this idea of first slot experience of the students, what we have already received. Now we can see that in these CAT 21, slot 1, which was scheduled from 8:30 to 10:30. Now I can take up the section-wise informations. In this case, we can find that questions number has made a change. That is 66 number of questions it is appeared in this particular year. In compared to the last year, there is 10 number of questions reduction. In the zone of verbal and RC, we can find that the zone remaining same, moderate to tough. So difficulty level compared to the CAT 2020, we can say it is more or less same. But there is a change in these LRDI zone. LRDI, this segment has give some kinds of it has been planned in some other way in compared to the last 2 years. We can see that number of questions reduction was highest 20. This is the first thing, as well as the section it become moderate. Wherever in the last 2 years we were talking about, this was very tough section. So I can call it is easier than last 2 years. The zone of quant, wherever we can find number of questions is 22, and questions are lengthy. So not that much tough, definitely. And it is more or less remaining similar in compared to the last 2 years difficulty level. But the questions are lengthy. Due to that reason, good number of people faltered. But quite some good score is possible in this zone. So now go to these individual section-wise analysis. And here the first segment of the test, where we have seen that all are 4 questions, RC passages it has appeared, and number of questions 16. And this particular zone is 2 number of passages was easier. It has been read from the students, those who have attempted this paper. And other 2, one was moderate, another was tougher. So definitely, and also 2 easier, both the cases, all questions attempt was not that much. So more or less, the zone of RC, it was remaining same compared to the last year. In the zone of verbal segment, we can see that a good number of theta questions it appeared. So students must have attempted all of the theta questions. Here, negative marking is not present. But the level of difficulty of that portion is tough. Here, whatever the questions it appeared, is odd man out, summary, or parajumbles, in all the cases, we can find it out that it was not easier. So the people, out of that 8 questions, 5 question theta, they need to attempt, and if they can do it out of these other 3 questions, they need to proceed. Now we are moving to the second segment of the slot 1, which is logical reasoning and data interpretation. A real change it has happened in this zone in compared to the last few years, mainly from CAT 17 onward. We can see that 2 sets it appeared of 6 questions and 2 of 4 questions. So these are the 12 questions, these are the 8 questions, and total number of questions it was 20. And out of that, we can find it out that 2 sets was really easier. One was DI, and that DI set was more or less straightforward percentage changes. The people, those who have done DI, they can do these one, the DI set. And the arrangement, there are 2 arrangements. Out of that, one arrangement was table arrangement, and that table arrangement was comparatively easier to handle. Another was a huge number of data. So some people faced difficulty in this zone. But the last one, which I have not talked to you, that is puzzle type, and it was looking like difficult. Now we can go to the stat quant segment. And quant segment, if you get this total distribution, we can find arithmetic as referred to the every year, 7 number of questions, but all 7 was not that much doable. In this case, we have seen time, speed, distance questions. We have seen percentage and SICI. These zone question appeared. We have seen that time and work, more number of questions, and time and work questions all are not easier. There were 2 questions we have seen that time and work, it was very tough. Time, speed, distance questions also we have seen. Average questions we have seen. So these are the segments in arithmetic we can find it out. The people, those who are preparing this arithmetic too much in a better way, they can find it out that from that zone you can get your good score. Algebra, good number of questions it appeared wherever modulus function was applied. Beyond it, quadratic equation was present. Inequality, one part of it was also present. In geometry, we can find circle type of questions and also theta questions. It was theta questions present in geometry in higher in number. Higher math wise, number system was not definitely higher in last few years, a similar like. In higher math zone, wherever permutation combination probability, we have not seen probability question, but permutation combination it was present. In the miscellaneous zone, other and total number of question 22. So basically it was lengthy. Why? Because completing of everyone was taking time. It's not that much straightforward, but still questions reading and understanding it was. Now we want to find it out that what should be the range of cutoff. Cutoff means I'm talking about these 99 percentile. In the zone of 99 percentile, the people, those who are in this particular zone, those who are falling under this zone, they will definitely get overall cutoff of 105 to 112 this zone. It is some higher compared to the last few years. And here the major contributor is LRDI zone. LRDI zone, whatever it was very tough in earlier years, in this year it is comparatively easier and compared to these last 2 years. Due to that reason, the total score in the total overall score, we can find it out. It would be something higher compared to the last 2 years, and LRDI cutoff will definitely increase. And our prediction, it should be 105 to 112. That. Thank you to all of you. I will join again after the second slot, and within this time you can subscribe in our channel and you can find it out our entire analysis given in this.